Academy. Hmm. Today we are going to discuss about different roles of any organization. Okay, any IT organization. Okay. So before going to the different roles, right? Like so irrespective of role, right? Arctic role. Okay. He want any IT company related. If we want to design any system, okay, there are we can get it can be any system. It can be any respect of domain. Okay, it can be insurance domain, insurance system. It can be e-commerce system. It can be healthcare system, it can be telecom system, any irrespective of any system you want design, right? Architect role is the main key primary key role for any system. If we not done any architect, if we not design any system, proper architect level, proper review, proper design, so system will fail any phase of application side. Okay, it can be causing the generic way. It can be causing is a scaling level. It can causing the data consistent level. It will be any phase of system. Okay, it can be fail. Okay, for that one, any organization they will follow there are four level of I able to see my screen, right? Okay, so I'm presenting, I think able to see, yeah. Okay, see here, as I told, right, there are four type of roles. Okay, you can any organization the architect role hierarchy. Okay, it can based on the classification scope and responsibility in a entire organization, right? It will be divided that one. Okay. So if you see here, a main arctic role, right? There are first strategic role, then after tactical role, then after that specialist role, then execution role. Okay. If we see first one, like a strategic tier one, okay, it role become a name called as a enterprise architect or chief architect. So this is what first role. Okay, it can be main these role who's playing person. He will take care of these main key primary responsibility, set vision, governance principles across the whole organization. If you define any system you want design, right? First enterprise architect, any system, it will be architect system will design. Then it will go for next layers of design. Okay. Then next role like type two. It will be like a tactical role. It will be like a bridging strategies and what is the strategy you have to follow, then then execution role. Okay, the it can be play that these role like end-to-end solution design. Okay, so this role called as a domain architect or system arc. I hope clear. So here what will be like a HLD design, higher level design, it will come here. So you will next further chapter you will see on the key responsibility of these role. Now coming to the third role, it is a specialist role. Specialized role means it will be like a specific technology side. It can be anything. It will get data or security, infrastructure, cloud or integration. It will be in details expertise person. This is called as a specialist role. Okay, specialist role. It can be deep exercise in specific domain or technology stack. Okay, that is what we are playing. So next role, execution role. See now, if we, before that we see that strategic or tactical specialist. Now we going to see the execution role. These were LLD design. Okay. LLD is a tactical architect, lead architect, it will be principal engineer. This is what a role name called. But main role responsibility, primary responsibility for this role, hands-on technical leadership, work closely in the development team. Okay. This way implementation role is act as a lead, is act as a lead architect. It's called you can call different names, but you will implement the lower level design as a actual system. Okay, you will work with a different persons as a development team. Okay, then TC team, those team on those teams and all will work. Okay, you will then will finally output able to get the from the stream. That is what execution role. So each role you're playing different key responsibility. Okay, you will see in details level. Okay, okay, in details level in the next level of our session. Okay, if you see enterprise architect, mainly scope of enterprise architect, organization wide. Okay, it will be business and data and the application and technology domains. Okay, it will be like a start from business, then it will move on the data layer, then it will go on the application layer, then it will go on the technology and domain layer. The scope of this person enterprise architect role, it will be like this key responsibility this guy he define and governance the entire enterprise architect's vision and principle and roadmap, align IT strategy with the business goal and the long-term transformation. Okay. Then apart from the architects review boards, ARB and enforcing the governance policies. Apart from the you will play on the development, maintenance, the architecture description, TOZA phase one and HV cycle. Then identify the manage and technology debate those strategic risks. Then we apart from the collaboratively with the C-suite and the CTO, you will work with CTO, you work with CIO, CDO, CSO, and the digital strategy. We see here this core responsibility is having the enterprise architect. Okay, so he's mainly focused on the okay, what is the vision, what is the strategies, what is the business, what is can if you do you design the system, how can get the money, how can generate the money, how can sell those things and all, and what type of application you have for different using different strategy as a what type of application you can design. Those strategy only enterprise architect you can take care about it. Is it like a what is that you will analyze the as a part of marketing analysis. Okay, and what is it demanding, forecasting analysis, those and all it will be done by the enterprise architect. Then apart from the he should have core skill, enterprise architect framework like a TOGF and ADM, Jotman framework and Archimate, ITL, CO8. Okay. Apart from the SAB, EA tools, you should have on the core skill for enterprise architect. If you see here entire things and you play in the business side, you play in the data side, you play in the application side, what type of application, how we should design. Then what is the technology related should be there. Main four, five category of focus on the enterprise architect. Then up to that enterprise architect, we will work with the solution architect. There are different solutions, different persons of solution architect and any organization will be one or two more solution architect. Solution architect mainly focus on the one project related or product related response product related. He is key responsible for end-to-end solution design across the multiple system. Okay, so I hope to clear this point. See, if you see here, key responsibility, right? Okay, if you see what is here, translate business requirement into the okay technical solution. Okay, that is what is key responsibility. Apart from the define the solution architect components, integration, data flows, these all solution architect will take care of. Based on the previous enterprise architect design document, he will take care of next level of in detail document for solution architect will take that one. Then after that, he will decide this technology stack, what pattern he should use, what is architectural styles. It can be microservice, SON, event-driven approach. Okay, that is based on the what type of system you going to develop. Based on that one, you can design that one. Then apart from the key architecture and define documentation, solutions, architects, diagrams and all will done by the solution architect. Then he will lead technical design reviews. So it's what is design technical reviews, manage the non-functional requirement, those things and all play. Apart from the, it will be like he is like a act as a bridge between enterprise strategic and the development team execution. Okay, team development execution team. It will be a bridge between the solution architect. Will provide the bridge between enterprise architect, then system team development team, execution team. Okay, it will be like a lower level design team. It will bridge between execution team. Okay, so this is what play make key role. Okay, then after that, if you see there is another role like this was solution architect will play. Okay, this one another domain architect. At the same time, it will be tier two. It will be domain architect. He is mainly act as a domain specific domain example ERP, CRM, supply chain, set the standard within the vertical or related. It will be any domain. Okay, own the architectural or specific business technology domain, define the domain reference architect standards and reusable pattern, evaluation of recommendation document a specific product platform, then govern domain level. What is the governance required for domain level? Those and all you will take care of that one. Then support migration and modernization within the domain. Okay, this is what key role for this one. Okay, so our other is application architect. Application, you will key role for application side. You will application what how can define internal structure, what is the flow and all. He will take care of that one. Okay. Then a data architect, he will key responsibility data analysis, design the data and the model pipelines and governance across the organization. Okay. So these were key role for any. Then infrastructure architects, which is very infra related, what is the required and a design component, network, strategies, hosting, environment, those things and all, you will take care of that one. Then a security architect. Security architect with cross-cutting concern, embedding security control, compliance across the domain, design zero trust security architects and identify the access management IAM, then conduct the threat modeling and risk assessment and security reviews. Those things and all take care of that one. Apart from the compliance is the main component. Okay, IS 42 27001, SOCT, NIST, those things and all is taken PSA, DSS, GDPR, those things and all will take away security architect. Okay. So cloud architect is cloud main responsibility design cloud native solution and lead the solution adaptive strategies. Okay. So it will be like it can be cloud AWS or Azure or GCP or it will be a Terraform cloud for formation. Then Kubernetes, those things and all Docker, Kubernetes, whatever things say, it will be like a cloud architect will take over. Then integration, any third-party integration will take care by integration architect. It can middleware or event-driven integration pattern. Okay, so this will be see right around tire uh, related, right? It will be these are all architect level it is there. Then apart from the technical architect lead the type 4, okay. Technical architect it will be key response solution, what are the system, the previous design, right? He will hands-on technical leadership, close the development, use who closely work with the development team, then create the low-level technical design and the system blueprint and define the development standard framework and the best practice for guiding the mentor and the engineering teams on the architectural design, conducting the code or take on the code reviews, then technical spike and investigation, then own the technical roadmap for system products. So if see the technical oriented say you will work with closely the development team, then code review, then he has to you'll guiding the development team, then after that you take the ownership of the roadmap execution also. That is what a technical aspect will do that one. Okay. So if you see click comparison of metrics, right, it will be like this. Okay, if you see a role, right, different roles, enterprise architect. Okay, if you see a scope entire organization wide, you will play primary focus on the business and technology strategies. It can be all domains, huh? Not irrespective of. You will report to the CTO and CIO. Okay, then solution architect. You will scope is a project and programming. Okay, the end-to-end solution will design will do that one. Okay, then if you see these it can be any domain application and technology. Okay, he will report to the enterprise architect or project directory. Okay, domain architect, specific domain it will be he will key role that one. Domain standards and the pattern, so is that any domain it will, he will report the enterprise architect or CTO. Application architect, the application level you will design application design and integration. It will be a solution and a domain. You will work with a solution architect or a domain architect. Data architect, data analysis, those things and all analytics will be the data model and the governance will be data. He will work on the enterprise architect, chief data officer. Infrastructure architect. Infrastructure is a platform network and the technology, those things and all will work with that. He will report to the mainly in the enterprise architect or IT director. Well, I hope this is clear, right? Okay. Then once again, if you see a security architect, cross, he will take the entire security, entire application system level, cross-cutting that one security controls and the compliance. Okay, all security he will take care of that one. He will work as the enterprise architect, CACO will work that one. Okay, cloud architect, cloud platform, cloud strategy, those things mitigation and all cloud architect will come. He will work as the technology stuff, those things and all. Integration architect. Integration architect, it will be integration layer, API, middleware, those things and all, it will work that one. Okay. Technology architect. Actually, technology solution architect, a system, there's a technical blueprint and those development standards, those things and all, it will work that. Okay, he will report to the solution architect. Okay, so if you see our key role in for it will be like each article or may the entire if you see right what is the design decided by enterprise architect, each and role key role playing that one. These are all main role for architect level. It is there in the entire IT sector. So if you see this one, so if you want to brief about these. TOGF, ADM, domain mapping, those business architect, data architect, and application architect, technology architect. If you see these all mapping, business enterprise architect, domain architect. If you see data architect and enterprise architect. If application architect, solution architect, the integration architect. Technology, infrastructure architect, cloud infrastructure, technical architect, and security architect. If you see these all architect, right? Using you will in if you want anyone interested, if you join this course, okay, any arctic level, okay, further class further classes and all, you will see the sessions and all, you will see the those basic details and all. If you want anyone interested, right, These Arctic level, if you want to improve your knowledge and all, please contact Yajentio Academy. You will learn, you will get the when going to start this session, okay? So that you can join that session and get the these knowledge within 3 weeks of time, any architect level. Okay, can be enterprise architect or solution architect. So here key things like how you can roadmap, how can start that one, how can what are the technology learning, those things and all. You will get the good knowledge on that one. Apart from the, you will get this application of the from the any architect level application. Okay, so that it will be 2 months of course. You will get the good knowledge on the any architect level. Okay, so if anyone interested, it will start next month. Okay, so you mid of next month, if will let us know that one. Okay, please contact the admin team as in show academy. Okay, so thank you for all. You will see on the next session. Okay, next concept.